Hi, this is Unit 3 of Level 4 Listening Speaking, and we'll be studying the subject of immigrants in the past. Maybe when you first met me, you thought, my teacher is 100% American, and all her family is American. But that is not the case. My mother's father was born in England. And when he became a man, he went to Canada, and then he came to the U.S. He went to the state of Ohio, and there he met my mother's mother and stayed. On my father's side, he is actually German. He was born in Germany. Around the time of World War II, he was a teenager, and so his family wanted to keep him safe, and they sent him to his cousins in Hungary. There he went to high school, and when he finished high school, he went on to the United States, the state of Ohio, and he stayed and lived there all of his life. So you see, I'm an immigrant, and the United States is a country of immigrants. We all are, except for the Native American Indians. So this is a very unique country, and maybe it's one of the reasons you came. We're more accepting of people than some countries in Europe. There's already some people from your country here somewhere, and maybe you came here because of that. There have been wave after wave of immigrants into the United States. The ones in the past, before it was really a country. You now. And then, if you stay here, there'll be a wave of people after you coming from some other countries. And what I hope for you is that you will be as welcoming to them as you have been welcomed.